Will humans ever travel to Mars? Maybe. But until that happens, we can still very quickly and virtually visit Mars for a retrospective with our entire team. Let's find out how. Hi everyone, my name is Clyde D'Souza, and in this video, we will take a look at a Miro template called Retro on Mars. I have designed this template and it's available on Miroverse. The link of this is right here, but I'll also paste this link in the video description below so you can go to this page and copy this template. Now, as you can see, Retro on Mars has a few elements to it, and so let's just quickly walk through this template. So the first frame is our icebreaker. If you could name a city on Mars, what would it be? Now, while you think of a city name, ensure that your team also does that and they add their answers as posted notes in this frame. Feel free to also discuss why they decided to name their city what they wrote. In the next frame, we'll take a look at what went well in the last sprint. Get your team to add post-it notes of what did they think that went well, and then has the team have a look at all of them and maybe even talk it through. In the third frame, we have what didn't go well and the actions that we could take. So, while there are a lot of things that went well, there could have been things that didn't go so well for your team in the last sprint. And this is the perfect opportunity to add post it notes with those entries. And then also think about the actions that you could take in the next sprint that might solve this problem. Now, when you're thinking about actions, try and only pick 2 or 3 action points, not too many, otherwise, it won't be effective. And then the final part of the retrospective, which is also my favorite part of the retrospective, is a quick check in, a quick feedback. Now, get your team to pick a planet from this frame and place them in one of these scales. So if I look at the example frame over here, you can see that these planets have been placed in either one of the orbits based on their corresponding feedback level. So most of the people who attended this retrospective thought that this retrospective was super fun, so they've placed it in the outermost orbit or the rightmost orbit, while a few didn't enjoy it or moderately enjoyed it. So, this is a nice quick way to get feedback on the retrospective. And quick tip, if you want to get feedback for any other workshop, you could copy this frame and use it in any other workshop on any other Miro board as well. And this is just a nice fun way of getting a visual feedback from all your participants. So let me minimize this and walk you through the page itself. There's a description of what I just spoke. So a description of how to use this template, some categories, and over here on the top are the 3 main buttons that you probably want to use. The first one is a like button, so don't forget to like this template if you have used it or if you actually like it. And then also don't forget to share. Click on this button and share this template with your friends and family and with your even colleagues. And if you do share it on social media, feel free to tag me. My social media handles are in the YouTube description link below. And then finally, you can click on the use template button to quickly just copy this template into your Miro account. So let me quickly demonstrate that for you. If I click on use template, it is going to ask me which account I want to copy this into. I will click on learn with Clyde. And then after a few brief moments, it has duplicated the contents of the Miroverse template. into my Miro account. And now you can use this. It is private to you only. And of course, if you want to share it with your team, you can share this Miro board with your team so that you and your team can have a nice retrospective on Mars. Now, a quick tip has also mentioned here. Don't forget to lock the items, lock these background items because they might move around once you start using them. So lock it before you actually use it. In the template, I can't actually lock it for you. So I've provided this tip so that you can lock it over here. So hope you like this video. Don't forget to copy this template and also let me know in the comments below what you thought about Retro on Mars and how you and your team found it. And of course, in terms of the YouTube video itself, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this YouTube channel. And also share this video with your friends, with your family, with your network. That's all for this video. Thank you and happy retrospective. See you later.